back! Another $500 bowling ball, and I am losing all of my money trying to drill bowling balls that I'll never use in tournaments. For starters, let's get the other $500 bowling ball and put it in the car. And even more for starters, how about you help me change this number to look like this number? And the best way to do that is just hit the subscribe button down below and join our channel to follow along for more fun videos like this. Now let's get back to finding that $500 bowling ball. So now I'm going to bring the ball to Seneca Bowling Alley. I'm going to drill it up at Justin Romick's Pro Shop, and this time I learned my lesson. I am going to surface this ball first. I'm going to sand out that ridge out of it for as long as possible. Fingers crossed it doesn't thump as it's going down the lane. I'm going to bowl 2 games with it, see what I can shoot. Hopefully like 400 plus. Again, that's the goal again. Please let this $500 bowling ball work. Please.
Sometimes.
Off because of it. Yeah. So as you guys can see, I have it all drilled up. It's ready to go against that black and gold one. I'm gonna throw both of them a little bit, and then I'm gonna bowl a 2-game set with that double helix. And I wanna take a quick second before I actually get into throwing these balls. I wanna give a huge shout out to a big fan of the channel, Eric. He donated this bowling ball to me. I didn't actually spend $500. I'm not actually going broke yet. I'm going to soon, but huge shout out to him. It's drilled up. I'm gonna throw it now. So I know you're gonna be watching. I know you're gonna be down in the comments. Thank you so much for giving me this bowling ball. It's one of the coolest things I do is to get to interact with my fans, and every once in a while something super special like this happens. So shout out to Eric. Hopefully this one's for you. The goal score, 450 for 2. That's a lot down lane. Oh yeah. Oh. That's a lot. All right, so I got both of these quantums. I'm gonna bowl 2 games, total them up, and see how high I can shoot with this quantum. You guys have seen a little bit of the comparison, and now this quantum double helix is going down the lane for 2 games. Comment down below what you guys think I can shoot. I got Justin Romick up there thinking I can shoot 470, so that's gonna be the goal, 470 plus. So let's get to it and hopefully get to striking a lot. Got messengers everywhere. They're trying. Push, 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 push. Safe. Safe there. Almost split. Oh, that's so bad. Yay!
With the left hand, the defensive player of the year.
Hey. So that was 5 frames in, double to start, little 6-pin, threw a horrendous shot that didn't hook at all, and then I came back with another strike. So on pace-ish for 2-0, but I gotta throw a bunch more strikes to try and up that pace to that 470 that Justin talked about. So hopefully some better shots here the back half of this game. push. That did split. Push, push. It just hooks so early. So early. A million lucky breaks. Hook, 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 hook. Oh. Hook. Oh. We're in business now. Push, 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 push. So I popped a high 2-team game one. That gives me plenty of room for that 470. I'm gonna need a 250, I'm gonna need like a 250 here. So I wouldn't say plenty of room, but there's an opportunity to still shoot. It's 219 game one if I strike. The one thing I'm noticing with the double helix, which is that red and blue one, versus the original helix, which is that black and yellow one, the double helix I'm able to move a little further right. I'm able to hook the ball, whereas the black and yellow one rolled so forward, so straight that I needed to play like a firmer, tighter angle to the pocket because it didn't hook a lot. It didn't hook pretty much at all. So this red and blue one hooks a ton. I gotta move a little right, gotta slow it down, gotta shape it a little bit, and hopefully throw some more strikes in the back half of this game. And this is the last shot of game numero uno. Push, 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 push. Hook a lot, Jesus. Yeah, baby. So Mitch has been saying that the trip 6-7 is my hit, and I'm just not so sure about that. Replay trip 6-7's here, but yeah, I don't think that the trip 6-7's my hit. It used to be the messenger 7, and I think it's now switched up to the trip 6-7, but I guess we'll see the back half of this game. Bad shot here. Lucky. Push, 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 push. Ball looks like money. We are in prime position for that 470, and the slower speed, the hooking it across the lane really looks good. It's making a strong motion down lane. This ball, 10 times better than the one I paid $400 for. I can't even explain it in words. I'm at a loss for words. It's just way better. It hooks more down lane. It holds a little bit in the middle lane. And when I throw it the appropriate speed, it looks like an actual usable piece in my bag. Whereas the black and gold one was, it was iffy. It was very pattern specific. This one, I actually am striking with quite a bit as I have the front 5 with the potential to shoot that 470. So hopefully it's a piece I can use. Hook. Fuck. Wrap 7. Hook. Barely got it. Hook, please. Oh my God, I meant lay off. I don't know what that ball's doing. Hook. Got the 7 out. I want all you guys to comment down below. Tell me how many degrees while buying this shirt that it takes a pen to fall over. It's way better. That's hooking so much. Well, I threw it to the left. Take it. Oh, maybe move a little bit, keep chucking it left. You just hook a lot here. Oh, she's hooking. Game 2, 229, but I got 0 on the spare, so I mean, it's basically like 232, 233, I guess, if I get 2 there. So 230-ish game 2, which puts me at 440-ish for the total. I let Justin Romick down. I guess it just wasn't meant to be, but it's still a piece that I can use because as I moved right, it just kept hooking. I expected it to just all of a sudden die on me like a lot of older balls do, or a lot of older technology. When you move in, it just kind of pukes down lane, and that one just kept hooking more and more as I move deeper in on the lane. So definitely a piece I can use, definitely way better than the original Helix. I appreciate you guys watching me shoot 439. and you guys know what to do. Click that subscribe button, and until the next one, peace.